Hi, hello, namaste. This is Naveen. Welcome to Golden City. Did you know that just because a check bounces, it doesn't mean a full amount must always be paid? Example: in lease agreements, landlords and tenants often misuse post-dated checks. But here's a case where the Honorable Supreme Court ruled that a full check amount wasn't payable. Let's break it down with a real life scenario. Imagine giving a check for rupees 9 lakh. It bounces, and now you're facing a legal case. But what if I told you that Honorable Supreme Court says you may not have to pay the full amount? Let's understand this cheeky check bounce tactic through a real life case. I will introduce you to two characters, that is Ramesh and Suresh. Ramesh is the owner and Suresh is the tenant. Ramesh rents out his flat to Suresh for rupees 2500 monthly. Suresh gives 9 lakh as security deposit. The lease is for 11 months, and once it ends, Suresh must vacate the flat and give his security deposit back. Very simple. The lease ends, but Suresh continues to live there for 5 years without paying a single rupee as rent. Ramesh, unable to refund the deposit, immediately gives a post-dated check. Suresh presents the check in the bank, but they bounces due to insufficient funds. He files a check bounce cases against Ramesh, demanding rupees 9 lakh in full. But here's the twist. The Honorable Supreme Court ruled that Ramesh doesn't have to pay the full 9 lakh. Why? Because Suresh illegally stayed in the flat without paying rent for 5 years. The security deposit was meant to cover any pending dues, so the full check amount wasn't a legally enforceable debt under Section 138 of NI Act. Moral of the story: if a check issued but the amount is not fully legally due, Section 138 may not apply. Don't misuse check bounce laws. Court will see the real picture. Namaste.